Hello friends, this is the Smile Everyday Show and I'm your host, Dr. Tamisha Dennis, and today we're going to be answering YouTube comments and questions. Let's get started. Before my tooth got pulled, it was causing a headache and ear pain. And now that I got it pulled yesterday, is it normal to still have a headache afterwards? Now, without getting too technical, let's take a look at what the nerve system looks like in your mouth. You'll notice that there's a big nerve that runs from your ear all the way to the middle of your jaw right here. That nerve is called the inferior alveolar nerve. And when you're having that tooth pain that radiates to your ear, it's because of that nerve. Now, because you've had the tooth taken out, that nerve is no longer getting pressed upon and stimulated by whatever abscess or infection you have. So you will get better, but you do have to allow your body the time to heal. I hope that this question helped you a lot. I know that there are others who hear your question and relate to it. So thank you for your question. I'm Dr. Dennis and I'm here to assist. Your dental health should not be missed. I hope this answer brings you delight and gets you